me I cannot get out of my car. You're not my boss, you're not my daddy. You don't give a fuck. I don't want to go to the ground. What are you doing?
On the 8th of March 2023, in Orange County, Florida, a traffic stop for suspended license escalated into felony charges, carrying up to 5 years in prison. This analysis examines the critical legal framework and tactical decisions that transformed a routine enforcement action into a criminal case.
Stop. How you doing? License and registration, please.
245 Robin, copy of verbal control.
As soon as I get your license, I'll be glad to tell you.
Good. 1549 Robertson.
Thank you, ma'am. Jasmine, the reason why I'm stopping you is because I run the plate. Your license actually comes back suspended and you have a seize tag order in reference to your car insurance. Yeah. Oh, I mean, you do.
No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made payment.
Right, you made the payment, but you didn't take care of everything else.
How do you know?
Because it says in my record.
I just did it yesterday. Maybe you didn't update it. You didn't say I couldn't drive.
Okay, well, I'm telling you can't drive. Your license is suspended.
It's not. If I went to the courthouse,
Okay.
I made payment.
Jasmine, when's the last time you had a ticket?
I haven't been pulled over. You're the first one to pull me over in months.
So you've never had a ticket before?
No, only red light camera thing.
Red light cameras? Okay. Has your license ever been suspended before?
No.
No? Okay. And the address here, is this correct?
Yeah.
Well, which one? The one on your license here or the Conway Road?
The one on my license.
The one on your license? Okay. Because they don't forward DL information, that's why. How long has it been since you lived in Conway?
Only 2 months.
A couple months? Okay, so you just moved back here? Okay. And what do you have there? You were trying to show me something else. What's this?
This is the paper I did at the court.
Okay, this shows you live in Kissimmee. The paperwork that you filled out yesterday. I'm sorry? Well, because you have to have the correct address on your license. That's a civil infraction.
No, that's the correct house.
The Kissimmee one?
The one on my ID.
Okay, well, why would you write incorrect information?
I didn't write incorrect information. I'm just trying to show you.
Okay. I'll be right back. Have a seat at your car. Have a seat in your car when I'm done. Ma'am, I don't care. You have a seat in the car. Okay, listen to me. You don't have the right to get out.
I have the right to do whatever I want. If I can get out of my car, I can get out of my car. You cannot tell me I cannot get out of my car.
Yes, I can.
How can you not? You're not my boss. You're not my daddy. You don't do
There's a Supreme Court ruling that says you need to get back in your car. Now get back in your car.
Let me see the paper.
Google it. Get back in your car.
I'm not Googling nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car. I'm taking your license and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you want to
my
call
car?
somebody to come get you, that's the best thing.
I can't. I'm here
Okay.
by myself and
Well,
I have to go
I
get my
apologize. Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR suspension.
No, I just went
and
to
you
the
have not
courthouse
cleared
yesterday.
everything up.
I showed you the
Everything
paper.
is not cleared up.
What do you mean? Then why didn't
telling
she
you.
tell me that? I asked her if there any other problems. She didn't say nothing.
Well, I'm telling you what there is.
Okay,
I will
but
give
you
you all
can't
the
impound
court
my
tickets.
car.
I will give you all the information. Your car is getting impounded.
What do you mean by that?
It's going to go to the record yard. It's going to go to police impound until you get a valid license. Until you physically go down to the DL office and reinstate your license.
Why can't I just
you
take
owe
it from
money
my house?
because you're not allowed to drive.
I've been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and
No,
drive
I
again.
went to the courthouse and
Okay.
she said there's no problem.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
That's not fair.
Well, you can take it up with the clerk.
I was just there yesterday.
Okay. Hey, Ron, come on over. Ma'am, I can't help it if she doesn't do her job.
Yes, you can.
I can't help that.
And I told you to pay it. How are you going to take my car? Do you not understand what I'm telling you?
Ma'am,
I have 2 kids. I take care of
Go
them.
stand by your car.
And then you're going to tell me
Go
to
stand
take
by
my
your car. Go stand by your car.
Yesterday and I paid over
Okay.
200
Ma'am,
to the fucking car.
You're this close to going to jail.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay.
You're trying to take my shit.
You're this close to go to jail.
You're a fucking ass.
Go have a seat by your car. Get out of the car now!
What is
Get out of the car! Turn around, put your hands on the back.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Relax, relax.
You're hurting me. You're
Relax.
hurting me. Get off of me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. Get off of me. Get off.
That hand.
Get off of me. I'll get out of here. I have to go get my fucking kids. You asshole. Get off of me. Don't you do it. Get off of me.
Go to the ground.
No, I don't want to go to the ground. Get off of me. I have to go get my fucking kids. No, you are not putting these on me. What are you doing?
Roll over. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm only 130 pounds.
Stand up.
Oh, my arm.
Stand up.
What you did to my hand?
Stand up.
You fucking asshole! What the fuck? Oh my god, I'm gonna get my kids! What is wrong with you? Look at my hand! I didn't do nothing to you! What the fuck?
Baby, you can't take off on a traffic stop.
Take off!
Get in, it's all on video. Get in.
I was at the wall.
Get in.
You're such a dick! I don't...
County 249. Show it the black female 1015. And then resume normal.
249. One time.
You guys okay?
Yeah,
All right.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
Need for units.
You got it. Count.
Negative. All units can cancel. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Time for a unit. Just finding kids.
Huh?
245.
I got it. I got one.
You want some of those lights?
Yeah.
I'm calling him back. Actually, not phone.
You take these handcuffs
Nope,
off.
you're going to jail, ma'am.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Well, unfortunately, when you fled from the stop, you did something wrong. When you didn't listen, you did something wrong.
I was
So
going
now,
to the
now, and then
ground. I was
when you
just
punched
there.
me, when you punched me on the ground, yep, you swung and hit me.
I did not.
Now it's battery, Leo.
It's a lie.
It's all on
I don't
video.
even know how to throw a punch.
Okay, it's all on video.
I don't know how to throw a punch.
Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
That's
it's all
a
on video.
lie.
You all right?
Are you?
Yep. You want to?
Our employee's car.
Am I able to call my mom?
No. You can call. You can call your mom after you get booked into the jail.
44 Alpha. At where?
Why would I arrest you?
Yeah.
Because you ran from the traffic stop.
I didn't run from the traffic stop. I was at the red light. The light turned green. You
Ma'am.
pulled over at the Wells Fargo.
Ma'am.
I got out the car.
Ma'am.
I took the punches. I was at the courthouse.
Did you not just drive off?
$1,000 yesterday.
Did you not just drive off?
No. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
okay.
I'm going to the courthouse. Why can't I go? I want
Because
to
with the traffic stop wasn't done, and I told you that.
Yeah, but I need to go to the courthouse.
It doesn't matter. You don't have the right to leave. You don't.
Yeah.
You don't have the right to leave.
Okay, so I'm
In reference to schedule 30.
Well, I
Like that.
don't need to understand.
And they tell you you're fine to go. Why would you tell me I'm fine to go so I can get arrested? That
Well,
makes sense.
I don't know. That's between you and them. Well,
I didn't do nothing.
unfortunately, you'll go to jail today.
She lied.
Unfortunately, you go to jail today. You'll get booked in.
Okay, so when are you taking me there?
When I'm ready. It's my time. I will get done, and we will head that way.
You're so inconsiderate. You hurt me. I'm bleeding. You hurt both of my legs. And you say I punched you. I can't even throw a punch. I've never even fought like that before. What are you talking about? You got complete control. You're trying to tell me a 130-pound girl was being threw a punch where both her hands behind her back? That's a lie.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
No, we're not.
Just one on a traffic stop, and she didn't believe her stuff was suspended.
No, I believe you.
Then she decided to jump when her car was getting ready to get impounded. She jumped in the car and took off.
Oh?
So Ron was able to get here, I was able to get there, and then, of course, she wanted to fight and not go to jail.
I did not fight. I don't know how to fight. I'm only 130 pounds. I'm small. Can I fight?
So it was a good day, I guess.
Yeah.
For you.
Nobody got hurt. No one's.
I'm hurt.
So.
I'm f***ing hurt. I'm bleeding and my hand is hurting.
If the caregiver is there in FDS 51, we can respond to
How are you?
2 people.
Been a while, man.
And if it's a DNR,
Please, please.
Nope. You can't leave. We're going to the jail.
Then let's go. What are you waiting for?
We gotta wait on a tow truck and everything.
I still got stuff to.
Under Florida Statute 322.34, subsection 2, driving with a suspended license, with knowledge is a criminal offense, not merely a traffic infraction. The prosecution must prove the driver knew of the suspension. First offense, second-degree misdemeanor, up to 60 days jail and $500 fine. However, the officer's database showed 4 previous suspensions on record, which significantly impacts both the legal analysis and potential penalties. The Supreme Court case Pennsylvania v. Mimms, decided in 1977, established that during any lawful traffic stop, officers have authority to order the driver from the vehicle. This bright-line rule requires no additional justification beyond the traffic stop itself. It's based solely on officer safety, not on suspicion of criminal activity. Critically, this authority runs both directions. Drivers do not have the right to exit their vehicle and approach officers without permission during an active traffic stop. The court balanced minimal intrusion on liberty against substantial government interest in officer safety, concluding the order to exit is constitutionally reasonable. When the driver fled the scene, she violated Florida Statute 316.1935. Fleeing or attempting to elude a law enforcement officer, the statute requires 3 elements: knowledge of the order to stop, officer using appropriate signaling devices, and willful refusal or flight. The basic offense is a third-degree felony punishable by up to 5 years in prison and a $5,000 fine. If committed at high speed or with wanton disregard for safety, it becomes aggravated fleeing and eluding, a second-degree felony carrying up to 15 years. The most serious charge stems from the physical altercation during arrest. Florida Statute 843.01 criminalizes resisting an officer with violence. The statute requires proof that the defendant knowingly and willfully resisted through threats of violence or actual violence while the officer executed a legal duty. This is a third-degree felony. The legal distinction between resisting with violence versus without violence is critical. Passive resistance or verbal objection typically constitutes the misdemeanor obstruction without violence under Florida Statute 843.02. Active physical resistance involving strikes, kicks, or attempts to harm officers can support the felony violence enhancement, carrying prison time.
Your knee and my leg. How much do you weigh compared to how much I weigh? Doesn't make any sense. And then you can say I throw a punch? For what? To make you feel better? I did not throw no punch. How can I throw a punch? Why don't we go to the courthouse to find out why this lady lied to me? Because she knew I would get in this predicament. This doesn't make any sense. I did my part. Went to the courthouse to find out what's going on with my leg. And she lied to me. So my car can get impounded. I cannot afford to get that out. I have to take care of my kids. And this is wasting my time and my kids' time for no reason. And then you're gonna tell somebody, oh, are you okay? What has happened to you? You gotta go home, open up a cold beer, right? Who's gonna feed my fucking kids? Who's gonna put my fucking kids to bed? They're gonna wonder where their mother is. But she went to pay her money to the courthouse when they want to go to Disney and I can't even fucking take them because I have to work. To pay these tickets from these red light cameras because I'm trying to go to work. And then you're gonna throw me on the fucking ground and then say throw a fucking punch. The fuck? Then what? A fucking punch. How do I even get out? Like what the fuck is this shit? And nothing. So she threw a car. She drove up. Yeah, to find out why the lady of the girl lied. I was just there and paid a lot of money that I don't have.
The traffic enforcement officer receives a grade of B- for this encounter. Legal compliance was strong, probable cause existed for the stop, Pennsylvania versus Mimms authority was properly exercised, and impound was statutorily required. However, tactical decision-making showed weakness. Allowing an agitated subject to return unescorted to her vehicle created unnecessary flight risk. De-escalation opportunities were missed. Explaining the difference between courthouse payment and full reinstatement requirements could have prevented escalation. The driver receives a grade of D for her conduct during this encounter. She demonstrated fundamental misunderstanding of legal rights during traffic stops, claiming authority to exit her vehicle and approach the officer without permission. The decision to flee transformed a potential misdemeanor into a third-degree felony, carrying 5 years maximum imprisonment. Physical resistance during the subsequent arrest added the most serious charge, resisting with violence, another felony with substantial prison exposure. Critical lessons from this case for all drivers and citizens. First, during traffic stops, you must remain in your vehicle unless ordered out by the officer. Exiting without permission can be charged as obstruction. Second, officers may order you from the vehicle under Mimms authority without any additional justification. This is lawful and must be obeyed. Third, never flee from law enforcement. Fleeing elevates any situation to felony level, regardless of the initial violation's severity. Fourth, if arrested, do not physically resist. Passive non-compliance is a misdemeanor. Active physical resistance can become a felony. Fifth, visiting a courthouse or making payments does not automatically reinstate driving privileges. Verify license status through official DMV channels before driving. Sixth, constitutional challenges to stops, searches, or arrests must be raised in court through proper legal channels, not at the roadside through confrontation. The difference between a traffic citation and 5 years in prison often comes down to decisions made in moments of stress and frustration. Understanding your actual legal rights versus perceived rights and exercising those rights appropriately can mean the difference between freedom and incarceration. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Law, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.